Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Alpha Sans in Undertale Evolution. This unique character requires you to collect a very specific set of 12 items. It's a journey that demands patience and exploration within the game world. By following these steps, you will successfully unlock Alpha Sans, adding a truly powerful entity to your roster. Let's dive into the exact materials you'll need to begin this exciting evolution. To begin your quest for Alpha Sans, you'll first need to focus on gathering some essential components. Start by collecting 7 NBT common fragments, followed by 3 NBT uncommon fragments. Next, you'll need to find 1 NBT rare fragment, which can be a bit more elusive. Finally, gather 7 pieces of fragmented code to complete this initial stage of your collection. Moving on to the next phase, you'll need to secure some more advanced materials. Your goal is to acquire 4 dense code items, which are quite important. Then, you must locate 1 console, dependency, and 1 defragmentation. Base. These specialized components are critical for the character's evolution, bringing you much closer to unlocking Alpha Sans and its incredible abilities within the game. For the final assembly of Alpha Sans, you'll need to gather the last few crucial items. This includes 2 pieces of obfuscated code and 2 glitched code items. Next, you must secure 1 virus essence, a very potent ingredient. The very last item you need is 1 Malsowal. Once all 12 items are collected, Alpha Sans will be yours, ready to unleash its full power in Undertale Evolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.